Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn one of the most important life-saving skills in the world, CPR. CPR stands for Cardiopulmonary Resuscitation. It is an emergency technique used when a person stops breathing or when the heart suddenly stops beating properly. Knowing how to perform CPR can help save the life of a family member, friend, co-worker, or even a stranger before emergency services arrive. Imagine someone suddenly collapsing in front of you. In that moment, every second matters. Staying calm and acting quickly can make a huge difference. First, make sure the area is safe for both you and the victim. Never put yourself in danger while trying to help someone else. Next, check if the person responds. Gently tap their shoulders and loudly ask, "Are you okay?" If there is no response, call emergency services immediately, or ask someone nearby to call for help. If an AED, also called an automated external defibrillator, is available, ask someone to bring it quickly. Now check the person's breathing. Look at the chest carefully. If the person is not breathing normally or is only gasping, begin CPR immediately. Place the person flat on their back on a firm surface. Kneel beside them. Put the heel of one hand in the center of the chest. Place your other hand on top and interlock your fingers. Keep your arms straight and position your shoulders directly above your hands. Push hard and fast in the center of the chest. The chest should go down about 5 centimeters, or 2 inches, with each compression. Allow the chest to rise completely between compressions. Continue chest compressions at a steady rhythm of about 100 to 120 compressions per minute. A helpful way to remember the rhythm is the beat of the song, "Stayin' Alive." If you are trained, after 30 compressions, give 2 rescue breaths. Tilt the head back slightly, lift the chin, pinch the nose closed, and give 1 slow breath while watching the chest rise. Give a second breath, then continue CPR. If you are not trained or uncomfortable giving rescue breaths, continue hands-only CPR until professional help arrives. Do not stop unless the person starts breathing, emergency professionals take over, or you become physically exhausted. Remember, CPR can double or even triple survival chances during cardiac arrest. Learning CPR is simple, but it can save a life one day. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so more people can learn this important life-saving skill. Stay safe, and see you in the next video.